Hello everyone and welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard, Pro Market Analyst at Hantec. On Tuesday the 19th of November, let's have a look at euro dollar, which has been rallying in the last few days actually, unwinding the move. Interesting, I spoke last week about the 109.90 key reaction low, was a pivot line. It's interesting that that pretty much came into the pit before the rebound started coming in. And look at these MACD lines and RSI picking up from 40, MACD lines sort of bottoming out around neutral. It just all seems to play into the fact that there's more of a neutral outlook starting to develop on euro dollar. The support came in at 109.90 to help to bolster the downside. But again, is this a rebound that's going to be sort of swinging back higher and testing 1180? I'm not convinced. Look at the fact that the market has just started to hover again now, to stall around this old pivot area. 1060 to 1075 pivot lines there that held up the initial reaction to the downside in October, and then it's started to become a basis of resistance in the last couple of days. So it's interesting that the market is hovering around that level, and initially 110.60 on the hourly chart you can see is a basis of support. Having broken above that, it's become supportive today. And then below that you're looking at 1040, 1045, again as a sort of a pivot area, 1040 to 1045 as basis of support. So if you started to lose 1045, 1040, then you're sort of swinging the market back down again. But you look at how the hourly chart indicators are going, they're already swinging over. So if you start to lose 1060, is that an early warning signal? You've already got the MACD lines, which are at sort of 2-day lows, stochastics as well, not looking great, RSI sort of back around the 50 mark. If that sort of starts to drift into the low 40s, again, would that be a suggestion that this is a market rolling over? So I think at the moment we're still fairly neutral, and you can argue, I suppose, between 109.90, maybe 111 figure, you're fairly neutral of outlook in this range. Above 111 figure, you start thinking about 111.80, and at the moment, yesterday's high turning back from 1090 would suggest maybe you're not sort of looking at that as a test at the moment. You're fairly much ranging again. So I think that it's fairly much of a neutral outlook at the moment on euro dollar. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading on euro dollar. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.